Some states don't just take your money, they demand it. Ridiculous taxes, jaw-dropping real estate prices, and surprise fees lurking at every corner. These states aren't just expensive, they're practically set up to crush your financial freedom. And honestly, it feels like they're trying to punish you for simply existing. We're ranking the states that will make you rethink every life choice with their sky-high costs and borderline predatory practices. You might think you're living the American dream, but in these places, it's more like a financial nightmare. No fluff, no boring stats, just the cold, hard truth about how these states bleed their residents dry. Let's go. Welcome to Maryland, the land of overpriced living and endless fees. Sure, the crab cakes are nice, but good luck affording them when you're drowning in taxes. Their total tax burden is a whopping 9.3%, and that's just the start. Want to own a home? Prepare to cough up for a median price of $433,000. Oh, and if you're eyeing the DC suburbs, you might as well double that. But it's not just housing. Even driving here feels like a punishment. From insane tolls to parking fines that'll have you contemplating public transportation, Maryland has a way of squeezing every penny. And let's not even start on traffic. It's soul-sucking and expensive. To live comfortably in Maryland, you'll need about $97,000 a year. But honestly, in this state, comfortable feels like a myth. Connecticut, where the rich play and everyone else struggles to keep up. This state is unapologetically brutal when it comes to costs. Property taxes through the roof. No matter how modest your home is, you'll pay as if you live in a mansion. And don't get too excited about owning one. The median price is $436,000, and that's before you even factor in the overpriced utilities and groceries. Then there's the relentless nickel and diming in cities like Hartford and New Haven. Parking? Good luck finding anything under $20. And if you're caught speeding, prepare for fines so steep they feel personal. Want to live comfortably? You'll need at least $105,000. Unless, of course, you're in one of the state's posh areas, where even dreaming of comfort will cost you extra. Think Alaska is all breathtaking views and serene isolation? Think again. Behind the stunning scenery lies a financial trap. Groceries? They're outrageously expensive because everything has to be flown in. Heating your home? Prepare to burn through cash faster than firewood. And while the median home price of $377,000 seems okay, don't be fooled. Living costs here are anything but reasonable. Even parking in Anchorage will make you wonder why you bothered moving in the first place. No state income tax? Great. Until you realize the hidden costs make up for it. Alaska might look like a dream on a postcard, but living here? It's a never-ending expense you can't escape. Massachusetts, the state where your paycheck disappears faster than a Red Sox ticket. Living here isn't just expensive, it's exhausting. The median home price is a jaw-dropping $560,000, and renting in Boston, good luck finding anything under $3,000 a month for a shoebox-sized apartment. But it doesn't stop there. Groceries, healthcare, and even a night out will cost you an arm and a leg. Don't forget the outrageous fees for everything from parking to public transportation. And while Massachusetts prides itself on education and healthcare, let's be real. You're paying for it with some of the highest taxes in the country. Sure, it's historic and charming, but can you even enjoy it when you're buried in bills? New Jersey, where you pay big bucks to live in the shadow of New York City. Property taxes here are the highest in the nation, averaging around $9,500 per year, and the median home price, a staggering $481,000. Even renting isn't a reprieve, with sky-high costs across the state. Want to get around? Tolls on every highway will make your commute feel like a subscription service you never signed up for. Oh, and don't forget the hidden fees, from absurdly expensive car insurance to unexpected municipal costs. Living comfortably in New Jersey requires around $108,000 annually. But even then, it feels like you're just treading water. Paradise comes with a price, an unbearable one. Hawaii isn't just the most expensive state to live in. It's a financial black hole. The median home price? $835,000. Groceries, double what you'd pay on the mainland. Even a gallon of milk feels like a luxury item. Utilities here are no joke either. Hawaii has the highest electricity rates in the country. And while the beaches are free, everything else will cost you dearly. Want to live the island dream? Better bring a fortune or prepare to work multiple jobs just to scrape by. Hawaii may look like heaven, but for your bank account, it's pure hell. California might be the Golden State, but it'll leave your wallet tarnished. The median home price is a shocking $718,000. And in cities like San Francisco and Los Angeles, expect to pay far more. Rent is equally brutal, with one-bedroom apartments averaging over $2,500 a month. But it's not just housing. Taxes here are among the highest in the nation, and everything from gas to groceries is inflated. Want to enjoy California's famous lifestyle? You'll need to earn at least $135,000 a year just to stay afloat. The dream of California living might sound nice, but the reality is a relentless financial grind. New York, the state where you're either rich or barely surviving. The cost of living here is staggering, with a median home price of $436,000. And don't even think about buying in Manhattan unless you're a millionaire. Rent is no better, with even the tiniest apartments costing thousands a month. But it's not just housing. Taxes are through the roof, and daily expenses like transportation, dining, and entertainment are outrageously overpriced. And let's not forget those hidden fees. Everything in New York comes with a surcharge. Living here might be a status symbol, but for most people, it's a constant struggle to make ends meet. Washington, D.C. is where your money goes to disappear. The cost of living here is absurd, with a median home price of $675,000 and rent prices that rival New York. Even basic necessities like groceries and utilities are significantly marked up. Commuting, it's either pricey parking fees or unreliable public transportation that'll still cost you a fortune. And while DC boasts a vibrant culture and historic landmarks, most residents are too busy working overtime to afford it. The nation's capital might have power and prestige, but for your finances, it's a nightmare. And the worst of the worst, Illinois. This state combines sky-high taxes with crumbling infrastructure, making it feel like you're paying premium prices for a subpar experience. Property taxes are among the highest in the country, and the median home price of $280,000 might seem manageable until you factor in the endless fees and surprise costs. So, what do you think? Did your state make the list? Or are you lucky enough to avoid these financial death traps? Let me know in the comments below.